Divorce is an emotional process for many reasons, especially for the topics that divorce brings up. Today, I want to talk to you about two of them, but I'm going to specifically talk about one out of the two. Two of the most expensive and hard to deal with aspects of divorce are kids and support. And my name is Jennifer Marshall, and I'm a family law attorney in New Jersey, and I help people through this process. The biggest question I get from clients about custody is, what is custody versus parenting time? Custody is the concept, which we call joint custody and sole custody. There's a legal aspect and there is a physical aspect. The legal aspect is, in joint custody, you both make decisions concerning the health, safety, education, and welfare of your children together. The best example being, kid needs a kidney. We got to make that decision. Does the kid get the kidney or not? In sole custody, one parent has that obligation and takes that on. Now, in the legal aspect, or the physical aspect of joint custody versus sole custody is where people start to get confused. They think that joint custody is just, we split the kid parenting time wise. What you're really establishing when you do custody on a physical aspect is where the kid spends 50% or more of their time. In a sole custody, that's where the child is with that one parent 50% more of the time. In joint custody is what New Jersey strives for, which is a 50-50 parenting time sharing schedule, which gives the child access to both parents. Now, there's many reasons a court would decide between joint custody and sole custody, and I can talk to you about them if you decide to consult with my law firm. But some of the reasons why somebody would have sole custody is if maybe one parent wasn't mentally able to care for a child, or if a parent had a substance abuse problem, or unfortunately, if one of the parents was incarcerated, and that happens a lot more than you would think. In those instances, one parent would make the decision for obvious reasons. Now, when it comes to the standard for making this decision, the court decides what's in the best interest of the children. And I could go on in a video of all the factors that entails, but that's why you hire somebody like me, who knows the right factors and knows how to speak to the judges. Now, I mentioned in this that there is a second aspect to the most expensive things that people argue about, and that's support. And your children are not immune from that. They are part of child support. And in my next video, I'm going to talk to you about what your child is entitled to and how you get it so that they can have support in their future. Again, my name is Jennifer Marshall. I'm your family law attorney. And remember, when the legal system has you on the ropes, I'll be your 1-2 punch. Thank you.